What's up, Gear America Nation? This is Chris coming to you from the Gear America Studios, and this is Tabletop Tech Specs. Welcome back to Tabletop Tech Specs. Today we're going to talk about the Uber Shackle and what sets it apart from all the other D-rings on the market. The Uber Shackle is the toughest, the burliest, and probably the best looking shackle that you can find today. It has an unprecedented 80,000 pound minimum brake strength and a 20,000 pound workload limit. So it is tough. It also comes with our patent pending UBERLock technology. What this is, and this is a reverse threaded cap with a special key that prevents it from being stolen if you leave it on your rig. So you can install it, put on the UBERLock cap, tighten it. Like I said, it's reverse threaded. And then if somebody tries to take it off, they're automatically pushing against the UBERLock. So the anti-theft technology ensures that your cool new shackles will not get stolen or accidentally fall off due to vibration or off-roading. And remember, the UBERLock portion can be removed when you're off-roading, so it's easy to take the pin in and out and use it for any recovery situations. The coating on this is a special anti-rust dual coating on it, so you're not going to have to worry about it corroding or rusting, and it includes a bunch of these washers, little isolator washers, so you can put it on your tab on your car, keeps it from squeaking, keeps it from rubbing on the metal, and prevents corrosion. So it's beefy, it's burly, it's got a 7/8 pin, it's got the UBERLock technology, it's got a great coating on it, and it's backed by our hassle-free lifetime replacement warranty. If you're not 100% satisfied with your shackles, we'll gladly replace them or refund your money. And these just came out in blue and orange, available for pre-order now, so check it out. I'm gonna put links down below on where you can get a hold of these beautiful new Uber shackles. And do me a favor, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and ring that bell. That way you'll be the first to know when new products come out, new tabletop tech specs, good runs, fantastic recoveries, all kinds of stuff coming from Gear America. So that's it for now. For Gear America, this is Chris signing off. And as always, off-road smart and tread lightly.